In this video, I will show you how to bold text on Instagram bio. As you can see right here on my bio, I have a bold text session, but as I go on edit profile and if I go to bio and from now if I type whatever I want, as you can see there is no option to go and simply get that bold text. This is why you're gonna get up from here, go to your browser, and here you're gonna type simply bold, go bold text and just go on that search box, and of course it will be shows up on the first site, which is right here. Just go tap on it, lingojam.com, and here you need to add a text, for example, or I will say go, and scroll down, take a look on all of these bold sessions, and you need to select which is the most interested for you. For example, for me it was this one. Just go tap and hold, go select just that selection, and then go cut, get back to your Instagram bio selection. Here you can simply go take over and paste it, and then go on the tick on your right side, and now it will take some time to get again tick on your right side. And as you can see guys, now we have done it.